Hey everybody, doing a little cooking on the Blackstone today. Oh yeah, we're cooking supper on the Blackstone. A little bit of rice, corn, string beans, carrots, a little bit of chicken. We use a lot of this right here. I love this stuff. Santa Maria mix. Santa Maria style seasoning. Oh yeah, baby, that's the stuff. Thank God for that. A little Worcestershire sauce on my rice. Oh yeah, give it a little flavor. A little soy sauce. A little black pepper. Gotta have the black pepper, folks. Gotta have the black pepper. Little chopped chives. I usually like to chop my own chives, but for tonight I don't feel like doing much. Been pretty tired all day, sleeping most of the day away. I did do some lawnmower work. I mowed my lawn finally. We got back from Florida last night after a week in vacation. Well, going to the doctors and going to vacation. I need a week off now just to catch up from the vacation. Yeah, look at that chicken turning black already. I love blackened chicken. Oh yeah, love it. Get that chicken nice and dark. I gotta go grab some vegetable oil. Extra virgin. Be right back. This is some good stuff right here. Olive oil blend. Yeah, that's what I like to use. Works good. Not overly greasy. Just put a little bit on there, don't stick to the Blackstone. It don't stick much anyway, but I don't want to have to do a lot of cleanup. I'm not one for cleanup. Not very much for cleanup. I like to just wipe it down and be done with it. That's why I like cooking on a Blackstone. I can cook almost anything on it, wipe it down, and I'm done. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Easy cleanup, easy to cook on. Put a little bit of this Santa Maria mix on there. Oh yeah. I wish they had smell-o-vision on TV or YouTube vision. YouTube smell-o-vision would be good. Put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce on there. Give it a little flavor. Put some of this pepper on there. I love pepper on my chicken. Oh yeah. Nice black pepper. Can't go wrong, folks, with black pepper. I put black pepper on everything. Look at the juices coming out of that chicken. Oh, that's going to be one juicy piece of chicken right there. That's for sure. My peas are running away. Oh, it's going to be good. Put that goodness right into my rice here. Yeah. Put all this goodness right into my rice. Oh yeah. String beans, corn. Put that right in the rice. Good stuff. little bit of this olive oil. We love the olive oil. Olive oil blend, folks. It's got all kinds of stuff in it. Great tasting. That's some good stuff. If you ever see that, you should grab it because it's good, good, good. Good stuff. Oh, making myself hungry. I gotta get a drink. I'm very thirsty. Very thirsty today. Get this orange and cream. Orange and cream. Yeah. Get that from Walmart. That's good stuff. 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 caffeine, 0 sodium. Not even got no sodium in it. All those drinks got that damn sodium. It makes you even more thirsty. You sit there and you'll drink for hours. It's almost like drinking pure water. But it tastes good. And it ain't bad for you. So you can't go wrong there neither. Oh yeah, this is cooking up good. I like my rice a little fried up. Oh yeah. Boy, I wish you could smell this stuff. Oh, I'm telling you, darn good stuff. Chicken here, cooked up. Oh yeah, it's blackening up pretty good. Look at that. That's a meal to die for right there. That's a nice thick chicken breast. Nice thick chicken breast right there. You can't go wrong with chicken breast. Cook it up on Blackstone with a little oil. I'll give you a little hint though. The chicken was on here a lot longer than his rice. You gotta cook chicken for a long time. You'll make sure your chicken's cooked. I started it off in the air fryer. So then it gets good and tender on the inside. Oh yeah. That skin right there, that's going to be the best part of the whole chicken. We'll make sure that gets right up there. Peel that skin right off in there. Get it good and hot. Good and crispy. Now you can put a little more of this Santa Maria mix on there. This stuff right here is the best. My wife has a niece who lives out there in California. She sends us this stuff every year. Oh, thank her. She's the best. She is the best. That Santa Maria mix is the best stuff. Get that chicken skin fried right up. Oh yeah. There's going to be some good chicken, folks. Good chicken. Oh, this skin's going to be the best tasting part of the whole chicken. Who said don't eat chicken skin? I eat chicken skin all the time. Look how fat I am. Well, folks, I'll tell you one thing though. I lost 40 pounds here. Of course, I'm on chemo, so you put the what you call it right to me. The steroids. Makes me gain weight pretty fast, but I lost some. Fighting it tooth and nail, but I lost some weight. They want me to keep my weight up because of this chemo, but I think over 300 was just too much for me. It's just too much. Boy, that's juicy. You can see the juice just pouring out of that chicken. You start off in that air fryer, that does it the best. You start off for about 15 minutes on the air fryer. I'm telling you. Then you put it out here on this thing. Oh man, that chicken is done. Boy, that juice just roaring out of that chicken. Well, there you are, folks. Cooking on a Blackstone today. We got the Blackstone out and I'm cooking on it. We love the Blackstone here. Mowed my lawn today. You can see the part of my garden back there. Did up my garden a little. It's hard for me to weed it, but I don't know if you can see it, but the garden's pretty weeded, weed free. Weed free garden. There's my smoker right there. We're gonna be smoking half a big. We'll be smoking later tomorrow. I'll show you that video tomorrow. We'll start smoking with the smoker tomorrow. I got some deer meat I'm going to use, a whole back of hawk. Whole back of a deer hawk. There's the pool. The liner got ripped last winter, so we're fixing to rip the liner out and put the pool back together. Got to cut down that tree right there. See that tree? That tree's got to go. We don't want that tree there. Well, that's what we're doing, folks. I painted up stained up my wood so I can put that back in my house. Got the house pretty well under control. I mowed my lawn. That's about all I can say. Thanks for watching. I'm getting ready to eat. Have a good day of eating. Make sure you eat a lot of food because it makes you feel good. Well, I don't know if it makes you feel good, but it makes you live a little longer. Thanks a lot for watching, folks. Louie out. Oh, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell. People ain't getting my videos. They're saying, oh, you ain't putting no videos on. I've been putting some videos on. Put from Florida videos. I even put a video on there about that rug that was caught up in my rototiller. So you'll like that one. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie out.